Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to enable your microphone and webcam in your Chrome browser. You can see here I am using Skype right now. If you are using any other website that need microphone and webcam, then there will be same setting. You can see here at the top view site information. Okay, just click over here. You can see here there was a problem with your microphone. Connect to another microphone, update your audio drivers, or try restarting your computer. I think at first we have to do this. Wait, go on this and you can see here I haven't allowed my camera or microphone. You can just allow these two. After this also, if this pop-up is not showing to you and if you want to just enable your microphone, then there is another way also. Just once type just run your website once, and after running your website you will be getting this type of link and just start it. Just start your meeting or anything. After starting you will be getting a pop-up like enable your microphone or enable your something. Okay, I just created. Okay, I'll just close this. If you won't get any pop-up, then what you have to do after just after running your website, then I will show you. Just think that this is exam platform and you need to enable your mic and webcam, but it is not working. The website is different but the setting is same. Just listen carefully. Go to here this three dot, go to here setting. After going to setting, you can see here privacy and security. Click on that, and after that going down you can see here site setting. After going to site setting you can see here skype.com microphone. Then you can see here all the permissions are here. Like your mobile phone, you will be getting all the permission here. Some of the permission has already blocked, but you can just allow from here. Ask default or allow from here. You can do anything you want from here, and this is the way you can just enable your mic and camera. Thank you so much. Or you can, there is another options also in all over your Chrome. If you want to enable your microphone, then you can just keep like this. Okay, you can just enable like this. Otherwise there is another option also. Just click on it and reset permissions. After resetting you will be getting this like, and again you can use this all. And after doing this, look, you have got a pop-up like this. Just reload. If it is not working now also, then reload. It might be stopped or it need to be refreshed. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. I hope you like it. If you want some more information, if you want some more anything, if you haven't understand, then just write in comment. I will reply your comment.